We guide you through how to create Microsoft Teams meeting link. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams on your desktop or browser and sign into your account. On the left side of the screen, click the Calendar tab, then select New Meeting at the top right corner. Enter your meeting title, add participants if needed, then choose the date and time for your meeting. After filling in the details, click Save and Microsoft Teams will automatically generate your meeting link. To copy the link, open the meeting you just created and click Copy Join Info or Copy Meeting Link. You can now paste and share the link through email, Messenger, WhatsApp, or any platform you use. If you want a faster method, you can also click Meet Now inside Teams to instantly create a meeting link without scheduling a time. Just copy the generated link and send it to anyone you want to join the meeting.